Guys, today we're taking a look at WithAudio. This is a desktop text-to-speech app for Mac and Windows. And you know what? There is no subscription model. It runs a lifetime license, it runs locally on your computer, and it lets you turn articles, PDFs, ebooks, and web pages into audio. So if you want to find out whether this is actually worth having in your arsenal or just another productivity gimmick, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scene for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Now guys, WithAudio is a desktop text-to-speech reader available for Mac and Windows. On Mac, it requires Apple Silicon, so M1 and newer, and on Windows, it supports Windows 10 and 11 on Intel or AMD. Now, the key thing here is that this isn't just another monthly subscription to add to your ever-growing list of monthly subscriptions. You buy this once and you get a lifetime license, and that's it. So whether you're a creator, writer, student, or just a user who finds listening to content easier than reading it, this could be for you. Now guys, before we get into it, WithAudio did send this over to me for me to take a look and to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's jump in and I'll show you how this actually works. So guys, this is WithAudio running on my Mac. You can add content in a few different ways: web URLs, EPUB, ebooks, PDFs, plain text, markdown, and more. Now, first up, I'm going to try and import a web article. So you know what? Paste the link, click import, and within a few seconds, the text is pulled into the app and we are ready to play.
What is lorem ipsum? Lorem ipsum is simply dummy text of the printing and typesetting industry.
Now, when you hit the play button, the first thing that you're going to notice is the synchronized text highlighting.
Lorem ipsum has been it has survived. It was popularized in. Why do we use it? It is a long established.
As it reads, it highlights each word in real time. Now, you know what? That might sound small, but if you're a student revising, a writer proofreading, or just somebody who struggles with long form reading, well, you know what? Listening and following at the same time really helps with focus. Now, depending on the complexity of your content, you may want to adjust playback speed, and WithAudio, you can do just that.
If you use this site regularly and would like to help keep the site on the internet, please consider donating a small sum to help pay for the hosting and bandwidth bill. There is no minimum donation. Any sum is appreciated. Click here to donate using PayPal. Thank you for your support. Donate Bitcoin, 16 Alpha 1 HC3C, NWH VGRAR V6 PMO, A2C DJB4 Ti F.
So if your content is something lighter, you can speed it up, but if it's more technical or dense, you can slow it down. There's also an auto scroll feature, so you know what? The page just moves as the text progresses, enabling you to just sit back and listen. Now guys, the second feature I really like is the navigation. So instead of jumping back 15 seconds like a podcast, you can jump sentence by sentence or by paragraph. So if you miss something, you can go back to the beginning of the sentence, not halfway through it, which I have to say is a more natural way to consume written content. And guys, my third big one is exporting. Yes, you can select chapters or sections and export them as MP3 or M4A files. So if you've imported an ebook or a long PDF, you can let it process in the background and generate a single audio file. And that is useful if you want to listen to your content on your phone later, or maybe when you're out walking, or even in the car. I mean, I found this particularly useful as I've got words that I need to learn from a written book, but reading it isn't always convenient. and converting it and listening into the car really helps me to learn. I mean, that's how we learn the words to songs, right? And guys, it doesn't stop there. You also get some more advanced features. I mean, there's something called global capture, which lets you select text in another app, use a shortcut, and have WithAudio read it without manually importing it. There's also a Chrome extension that works directly inside your browser. So if you're logged into a site or whatever, you know, whether it be academic content, paid articles, university portals, whatever, it can read all of that all in one place. And guys, voice-wise, there are currently around 28 English voices. I think there's a French one and also a Spanish one, and there are more languages planned. You can manage which voices appear in your quick access lists as well, so it kind of stays all nice and clean. And importantly, as I said guys, everything runs locally on your machine. It doesn't send what you're reading to a server somewhere. It's private by design, and because there's no server infrastructure to maintain, that's part of the reason why it isn't a full-blown subscription. So guys, there you have it. WithAudio is straightforward and powerful. It's a desktop text-to-speech app that focuses on being local, being private, and not being a subscription. If you're a student revising, a writer proofreading, or just someone who consumes a lot of long-form content, it's genuinely useful. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can get a lifetime license for around $25. Yes, lifetime. I mean, that's a hell of a steal. Now, you know what? There are other subscriptions for business use, etc., etc. But you know what? As a starting point, $25, I mean, it's a bit of a no-brainer. Also, guys, as of now, you can get a free trial so you can test it for yourselves. This, coupled with a 7-day money-back guarantee, gives you the confidence to see if this fits with your workflow. I'll also leave any links and any further discounts in the description, and if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to WithAudio for sending me this cool app to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.